So here we are at the Omni Hotel in Cancun, Mexico. And we were greeted very lovely. We had a great evening here. Hello. We travel a lot. I'm tired. Oh my God, the bathtub. Oh my God. Okay, I'm freaking out. This is nice. Yes. I'm going to be in that every night. Very cool. Nice little bathroom. Little bathroom area. We've got a little kitchen area. They fill the mini bar with free drinks in here, so everything is free. They've got a little coffee, little microwave. Got some cute little things. I'll get to the view. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Cute little closet, nice little closet area. Then we've got the bedroom and this beautiful little place. Our neighbors are wild. I can hear them screaming already, but check out this view. It's where we're gonna find Jamie. Nice little balcony, nice little view. Wow, Jamie, what do you think?
Very nice.
It is beautiful. Woo. Man, that's pretty. Holy cow. Wow. All right.
You know the grass hut places over there?
I think that's the aquarium.
No, it's too small. Different restaurant.
All right, let's go eat.